Right. Any thing you would like to mention about the medical experience that you have had?
I got four temporary rejections. One is for regarding the DNS, deviated nasal septum. One was overweight. One was impact wax. And one was on tailbone issue. So all were minor issues, but you have to go through this 42 days period. Then you have to plan your if you are getting operated, you have to plan your surgeries. So I had to have two surgeries. One was DNS and one was the back surgery. I got the DNS surgery first, and then there's a resting period. You can't get operated twice.
Yes.
When you are getting medical out, minor issue or major issue. But even if it's a minor issue, start working on it from day one and plan it accordingly. Like which surgery you are going to have first, and then resting period and everything. Things are to be kept in mind during the medical.